Hi, I'm Wilson, and I'm going to show you how to set up your new String Ridge VST 1.5. I'm going to start with a footprint. If you don't have one, no worries. Go ahead and go straight to staking out your tent. We're going to start with this. Go ahead and pull it out and lay it on the ground roughly where you plan to set your tent up. Make sure the tags are facing upwards. Go ahead and pull your stakes out of the bag. And start with 4 in the 4 corners of your footprint. Make sure to pull a little bit of tension, but not too much. If you're on hard ground, you can gently use a rock, but make sure not to pound too hard. Pull them out at roughly even angles, knowing that we can adjust them a little bit if needed once we put the tent on. The next step will be to lay the tent right on top of the footprint in the right shape. On each corner of the tent, there's going to be one guy point from the bottom corner, and there will be a second one from the fly. Start by applying each of the bottom corner ones to the stakes that are already in the ground. The next thing we'll want to do is put the first pole in. Grab your first pole that's set at 120 centimeters. That one's going to go under the vestibule. Reach up inside the vestibule to the top of the zipper. You're going to find a little pocket. Grab the tip of the handle and put that in the pocket, and then pull the front of the vestibule over it. The bottom of the footprint, you'll find this little loop. Go ahead and put the pull through there. All lined up good there. And then from the bottom of the vestibule, grab that guy point and go ahead and put a stake through it. Now we're going to go around the back of the tent, and we're going to put the next pole on. This one's going to be set at 100 centimeters. On the back of the tent, you'll find a few loops. You'll have the footprint loop, you'll have the foot of the tent loop, and then the fly loop. Grab all of those together and put the pointy end of your pole through there. A little bit of tension, press that into the ground. And then on the top of the fly, you'll have this triangle piece with a little pocket in it. Put that pocket over the top of your pole. Then pull this guy line out. And go ahead and stake it in the ground straight away. Great, at this point the tent is essentially started to be set up. We're going to go around and tension everything well and apply the fly loops to the stakes. Start by pulling a little bit of tension on this one. And then we're going to go around and take these fly loops, loosen them all the way first, and apply them to the stakes. Now we can go through and tighten everything up. At this point, if any of the angles seem off, go ahead and undo your stake, move it to what seems to be the right angle, pull a little tension. You don't want to pull too hard, but definitely give it a little bit of a tug to make sure that there's no flat spots in your fly. Once we give each of those a little bit of tension, we're going to put in the rest of the guy lines for optimal setup to provide us with the best wind resistance of this tent. The first one will be right at the top of the vestibule here. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this one almost all the way. Grab my stake and come straight off the top ridge of the tent. Hammer that one in. And then if you're using all of your stakes, there's 2 more. One at the foot end and one at the head end in the middle of these panels. Now that all the stakes are in, we can do one final pass around, make sure everything is tensioned well. Once it looks good, you're ready to enjoy your tent. Enjoy.